Hi there! I hope everyone's having a great time so far and enjoying their festive season. So I'm going to try to make a mixed CD Christmas tree, and I thought that might have a better kind of outcome in comparison with my mixtape Christmas tree, where I used books, CDs, DVDs, and vinyl record box sets. With CDs, you know, the cases are pretty robust and they may not be damaged with the weight on top of them. So I got some really valuable feedback and comments from everyone who watched my earlier video about my mixtape Christmas tree. So I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And I took everyone's advice and suggestions on board. Someone actually described my mixtape Christmas tree as a Charlie Brown type Christmas tree. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I got lots of CDs in my house. I still listen to CDs. I enjoy them very much. So I think I have enough CDs to make this tree. I've got boxes and boxes and some in crates. So I've gathered all of them up, and hopefully the end result will be good enough for Christmas. So I hope this is not pushing my luck, but I already got my little tree topper ready, and I hope I'm not jinxing myself. I'm just gonna have a go at this and just have a bit of fun as well. So I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. This is the Christmas tree, my mixed CD tree. I'm really happy with it, and I think it really came to life when I put the lights around it. So this is it. I'm done. I'm not going to make another tree. I have no idea how many CDs I used. In fact, I underestimated the number of CDs I needed, and then what happened was I actually had to go to a shelf where I keep my most favorite or most listened to CDs. I had to grab some of those. So I think I'm going to have to just not listen to those for now, because it's going to be a bit like Jenga if I try to take it out of this Christmas tree. So I'm going to leave it as it is until the new year. So I hope you like my tree. I'm going to actually have a count of how many CDs I use, because I'm very curious. So if you want to have a guess, make a guess in the comment section, and I'm going to let everyone know what the final count is once I get it done. So I hope you enjoyed that, and have a festive season, and no more Christmas tree videos from me, I promise. So thanks for joining me. Take care.